Hi guys. So earlier this year, probably in early June, we had a potato in the kitchen that started getting old, so it was chitting out. So I planted it in a bucket. We're gonna see how it did. It's August 12th today. So here we have the bucket, and we'll see what's in it. I'll bring that over. Let's look at the plant here. So it's not quite dead yet, but a lot of it died off. It's been pretty dry, so I'm ready to harvest it. We'll see what's in it. All right. So we got potatoes. That's good. Let's see how many and how big. Well, there's a little one. That one's decent size. There's some more little tiny ones. So we didn't do awesome, but we got some potatoes out of it. So we'll probably try it again next year, see how we do, see if we can improve it a little bit. I might have overwatered a little this year, but because I haven't watered in a good week or so, and it's still pretty moist, especially the bottom's just packed wet. So there you have it. That's bucket potatoes. We'll see how it goes next year.